Okay guys, so today we are going to learn about the patch tool, and the patch tool is really used to add or in times subtract and in times add content to our photo. In this case we want to remove the birds from this image, and we want to do it in such a way that no one could tell that something was there before. So we always start by duplicating our layer. Let's rename it let's call it birds, right? So let's start removing these birds. So first off, we go to the patch tool and it says source and destination. Let's use source, right? Because what we're going to do is take the source and patch the source. So this is the source here, and we want to patch it. So we want to patch it with this area here, similar to it, similar in tone and color and everything. Now if we were to patch it with this, it won't work too well, right? Because the colors would be off. So we want to patch it as close as possible without actually getting part of the bird. So a nice tight selection would be great, and we just pull and drag, and when the bird is out of the way we just release. And we do it for the others. And if you notice, I'm trying to get as close as possible to the image because I want to keep the tone, right? So if I go to select deselect, you can see that the birds are removed. However, if I were to take the same patch tool and instead of go to source, go to destination, I could first off click the bird in this case and pull it across. Let's put it up here, and now we have select two birds. We could also use it. Let me undo this. Undo deselect and then undo patch. Select deselect. Right. We could also do this in another way. We could just select the area we want and then drag it over the bird to cover it, like that, right? But ideally, to remove the birds, we just use source, and we could just patch that area there. So what it does is actually patches the pixels in that area. Now we could zoom out and you can't tell that the birds were there. So this is with the birds, without the birds, and that is how you use the patch tool. So I'll see you guys in the next one.